students, as you know, we are going to continue our chapter number 7, Time Goes On. In that, we study about the calendar. Okay? Now, today, we are going to see about the clock. So, are you ready? So, let's start. This is a wall clock. Everyone has the wall clock at their home? Yes? Okay. So you can see the 1 to 12 numbers in the clock. Yes? Okay. And you can see there are 3 hands in the clock. The shorter hand, we called it as a hour hand because it shows the hours. The longer hand, we called it as a minute hand because it shows the minutes. And the hand which are continuously moving and it is thinnest, it's called as a second hand because it shows the second and it is continuously moving. Okay, you also seen from 12 to 1, you can see there are 5 parts. Can you see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means from one number to second number, there is a 5 minutes. One part shows the 1 minute. Second part is the 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute and the 5 minute. In this way, from one number to second number, there is a 5 minutes in between. Okay. So from 12 to 1, 5 minutes, 1 to 2, 5 minutes. In this way, 5 minutes combine to get the total 60 minutes. Okay. So whenever our minute hand comes on the 1, at that time we say that a 5 minutes. When the minute hand comes on the 2, we said it as a 10 minutes. When the minute hand comes on the 3, then we said it as a 15 minutes. The minute hand come on the 4, we said it as a 20 minutes. When the minute hand come on the 5, then we said it as a 25 minutes. When the minute hand come on the 6, then we said it as a 30 minutes. When the minute hand come on the 7, then we said it as a 35 minutes. When the minute hand come on the 8, then we said it as a 40 minutes. When the minute hand come on the 9, then we said it as a 45 minutes. When the minute hand come on the 10, then we said it as a 50 minutes. When the minute hand comes on the 11, then we said it as a 55 minutes. And again, when the minute hand come on the 12, till then our hand is moving from one number to next number. That means the total 60 minutes. That means 1 hour is to be completed. Okay. Whenever our hand started from the 12 and again come to the 12, till then 1 hour is to be completed. Okay. Understand? In this way, we can see how the hands are moving in the clock. Okay. Now, let us see what is the time in this clock. First of all, you can see the position of our hand and the minute hand. Okay. If the hour hand is on the 3 and the minute hand is on the 12. Now, what is the time? 3 o'clock. How you can write? Okay. Now, see the next clock. In that, our hand is on the 9 and minute hand is on the 12. That means what is the time? Yes, 9 o'clock. Now, the next one. Yes, in that, our hand is on the 11 and minute hand is on the 12. That means 11 o'clock. Okay. That means whenever there is a minute hand is on the 12, at that time you have to see only the position of our hand. Whether it is on 1, whether it is on 4, whether it is on 5 or whether it is on 11. So we have to write that number and then write o'clock. Okay. Now, let us see the next clock. What is the position of hand in that clock? Yes, our hand is on the 1 and minute hand is on the 3. That means You know that whenever the minute hand is on the 3, that means how many minutes? 15 minutes. That means what the time shows this clock? 1:15. Okay. Now the next one. What is the position of hand here? Minute hand is on the 6 and our hand is between 2 and 3. That means after 2. So what is the time here? You know that whenever the minute hand is come on the 6, at that time, how many minutes? 30 minutes. Yes. That means what the time here? 2:30. Okay. Let us see the next one. Oh, here the our hand is between 2 and 3. That means near to 3. And minute hand is on the 10. So you know that whenever the minute hand is come on the 10, that means how many minutes? 50 minutes. Okay. And so what is the time here? 2:50. Okay. That means whenever the minute hand is moves from 12 to again to the 12, that means minute hand is doing his one rotation complete. At that time, our hand moves from one number to second number. Okay, okay students. You can do the different activities at your home. Yes, your mama will also doing the different activities at your home. Okay, so these activities take the time. What do you mean by take the time? That means how long you can do these activities. Some activities you can do in a second. Some activities you can do in a minutes. Some activities you can do in a days. Some activities take the time of the hours. Some activities you can do completed in a month. And some activities even take the time of years. So let us see about that. Which activities we can do in the seconds? Let us see. These are the activities we can do in the seconds. Now the next. These are the activities we can do in the minutes. Now this is the activities we can do in hours. Okay, some activities we can do in days also. Let us see. Okay. And these activities take the time to complete the month. These are the activities you can do in a years. Okay, this is all about the time. That's all for today. Thank you.